Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'm showcasing two products from OtterBox, the OtterBox Symmetry Plus case for the iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 12 mini MagSafe Wallet. As we showed in a previous video, this wallet works with the case. So as you see, it fits the size of the 12 mini and it has the MagSafe magnet here as well as here, and it attaches to the case. And they both work with this phone that also has the MagSafe in it. And you can hold the case and the phone with the wallet. Very strong magnets, but we like the design of this case. It's clear to showcase the product red of the iPhone 12 mini. And this is 3 times drop tested, and it's made for 5G, which is what the iPhone 12 mini and series iPhone 12s have, 5G. So you get 2 accessories that work with the phone and MagSafe. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course, thumbs up.